collab, I am going to set my buffet. So I'm going to start off with some napkins. I thrifted $2.99 for the 4 pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and combine those with a pink napkin, and you've seen me do this before. I'm going to layer the two. These white ones, very pretty, bone white with a beautiful herringbone pattern. Very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to layer those with my pink napkin, the Totally Dazzled napkin. So I started today by laying down a pink runner, and I folded it in half because this is a very narrow space. Next, I'm going to come in with this beautiful basin and water pitcher that I thrifted as well. I'm going to add these simple white roses that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and then these I believe they're orchids I placed in with the white roses just to give it that little hint of doing these a little bit off camera. Let's be honest, y'all already know floral arrangement is not my strong suit. Next up, I have just a simple Dollar Tree stand, and then I have a pink plate. And I believe that you saw me use these in the Pretty in Pink Tablescape a couple of months ago. Here I have a Dollar Tree small fishbowl vase, which I then place a pink paper napkin in, and this is what will hold our utensils. For today, I will be hosting a book party. And this is not the book that we're reading, but I went through my book collection and I picked out some nice books that had pink covers to go with our theme. I have some silver candlesticks with pink, pale pink pillar candles in them. And to the other side of our buffet, I have this silver globe, which I think is a nice little accent to our theme around the world, which is what our book is about today. So it's a nod to our pink collab today, and also a nod to my book club as well. On this side of the buffet is where we're gonna have our drinks and our snacks. So here I have a bottle of pink Moscato, and then I have 4 pink glasses here, champagne flutes, very pretty, that I thrifted some time ago. And the last thing I'm going to add to our buffet is a little riser, and on top of that I will put our snacks. And I'll be back in a moment with my snacks, and I'll give you a closer look. With the addition of this beautiful edible arrangement that I received as a hostess gift from my tea party, here is a close look at our buffet. Beautiful pink bottom, champagne stems, our pink Moscato, our lovely edible arrangement, which I placed in a ceramic pot I already had and added that to a riser for height. Next, we have our beautiful pink pillar candles on our thrifted silver candlesticks. We have some pink books, a globe with some silver beading, our pink plates, pink and white napkins, and our beautiful orchid and rose centerpiece in the water pitcher and basin. And we have our pink napkins cascading from that. Lovely. this is it. My submission for the Pink Summer Decor Challenge 2021. Please stop by the host channels and show them some love. And also, all the ladies who've worked so hard to bring you their beautiful pink decor. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you to our host, Antoinette of Decorating Ant's Place, Sule of MystyleMycolours, Shelly of Pretty Inspired Decor, and Tammy, the Decor Lady.